approach doesn't always work in every students. It often leads to low performances on students, and even kanang ma-board gali sila when they don't have a motivation or encouragement from a teacher. So second is the research methodology. So the researchers use quasi-experimental design. They use tests and questionnaires to measure if there is really an improvement on students' academic behavior and performances, and student-centered learning approach.
So findings, students in the student-centered group showed significantly higher academic performance and grade motivation compared to those in the traditional group. So the conclusion of that, if student-centered learning has a positive impact on the student, because why? Because students not focus to their teammates, then the good example of that is dili lang kamo gathered lang sa one group only, but you choose another group to more gain knowledge about your problems in your research topic.
So this study wants to find out if there is really an improvement on students' academic behavior